Good morning, folks. This is a Royal Doulton Gaffer pitcher, and it had a two-part break, and we've got the base in, and Joanna's doing some hand painting. Then she'll give it back to me for the airbrush on the blue and the brown and maybe some green. We've completed the inside. This is a Royal Doulton. I want to show you some pictures. We sort of specialize in repairing teapots and coffee pots. We've repaired hundreds of them, and we've also bought them. These are all ours. Most of the stuff in the shop right now is our pottery. Not all, but most.